it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly Stamping Collabs. Pretty sure I got that right. It is Tuesday, so that means I always do a collab with the group from Facebook that I have joined like a while ago. If you are an active YouTuber and you want to join our group, just leave a comment down below and I can definitely add you into our Facebook group. So we do collabs every Tuesday, so it's a different theme that you basically have to do stamping of any sort. Just have some kind of stamping involving the theme. So not too hard, but yeah, so this week I am actually the host for this theme and I chose dinosaurs, partly because I have been dying to use this stamping plate because I haven't gotten around to it yet. If you watched my Manny box from May, you'll see that I was a dinosaur theme, so I got dinosaur stamping stuff. So I wanted to use this, and I actually watched the video on Clear Jelly Stamper on how to use this plate, and it looks really cool, so I definitely am excited to try it. So, I will leave all of the links down below to everyone's videos as well. I will have their pictures at the very end of the video with the collage. And yeah, so if you are coming over from one of their channels, welcome. I hope that you see something that you like and maybe subscribe to my channel because I do nail art every week, at least 2 to 3 times a week. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Start by peeling off the film on this stamping plate, and it is like brand new. I have not used this yet, but it looks super cool. Look at it, it looks so cool. It's got all these dinosaurs and very neat. I can get you to focus. And it's got a bunch of images that you can actually layer, so I'm pretty excited about that. So I am going to pick out all of my polishes and we're going to get started. And that is the finished nail design. I went kind of crazy with all of this, but I think it turned out pretty cool. What do you guys think? So yeah, that's everything for today. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.